Hey everybody, thanks for stopping by my channel. I have a very late, because I had COVID right after Christmas. I had gotten this on sale. There's 200, let me show you the brand there. And because it's so long, I'm going to do a little scan. It's beautiful artwork on there. Colored pencil set for a very good price. I will find the link and put that down below for my affiliate link at Amazon. Now I did get this, and when I opened it, I did notice that some of the pencils were broken. Maybe, I don't know, maybe 15% of them-ish. So just sharpen them up, but it happened. And then I dropped it. And if you've ever dropped a box of 200 pencils, you can only imagine. I cannot even fit it in here, guys. So I dropped it, and because I haven't gotten around to putting them back in, I put them in a container here. So let me show you what they look like. So this was one of the broken ones, not because I dropped it, but so that's what I'm talking about. Kind of came like that, so you need to sharpen that up. So let me show you one that is, so they have numbers on them, and I don't know what the numbers correspond to other than the fact that if you want to put them in that order, because I didn't see let me look on the bottom. Yeah, I don't know. Maybe if you guys know, if you have this set, you can pop down a comment. But anyway, the numbers are there, and some information in a language that I don't know. And then it says high quality, in case you're wondering. And anyway, but I have used them on a card, and it comes with a couple sharpeners as well. I like to use an electric sharpener, but and if I can get that link, I'll put that down below, because it's very inexpensive but great sharpener. It's got lots of great colors. I mean, look at these purples. Very, very pretty. So I need to organize this, obviously, and put them all back in, but there are 4 trays. Gives you an idea there of what that looks like. Sorry, it has to be crooked. I could smell them. But a lot of pencils. So really, you have every conceivable color you can think of, and some great shades of those. So let's go ahead and do some coloring. This is a new drawing pencil I got from Jet Pens, and it's a Pilot Color End. Did I get it from Jet Pens or Amazon? If I could find the link, I'll put the link down below for you. But it's this blue lead, and you can get refills for it, and it's nice for drawing because it erases really well. And you can, I would suggest using this kind of eraser. And they're very light, so it's not, for someone like me who scans in, once I make artwork, I scan it in and use it for digital prints. The blue doesn't pick up like a lead pencil does, and you know, the typical gray color. So we will do make sure that that is indeed dry. You can go ahead and erase the blue. But just to show you, that's just a quick little sketch, but it's a nice, decent pencil. So if you want to check that out, head on over there. Thanks so much for joining me, guys. Have a great day.